Most people are trying to learn Dispatch through watching YouTube videos. They're ending up in an extremely stressful state, and most of the time, they are giving it all up. You are not going to be like most people. Learn how to dispatch trucks like a boss in just 21 days and get a good living out of it, even if you have no experience at all and don't know where to start. Discover how to start your dispatch company, get rid of your fear of failure, avoid rookie mistakes, negotiate, get customers, and grow your business fast and predictable. You will learn how to start dispatching in less than 3 weeks with just your phone and laptop, even if you don't have any experience at all. 4 most efficient and powerful hacks to get rid of your fear of failure. You will master the go ahead and fail strategy. The dirty truth about trucking industry and why most dispatchers fail to get customers. Arm yourself with powerful knowledge and carve out your slice of the $800 billion trucking industry with possibly the most effective dispatch course for the general public ever created. This course tells it all the details, tools, and tactics. You will learn proven and battle-tested dispatch strategies. Info gathered in this course is brutally effective and will give you an unfair advantage over your competition. Simply, give yourself every possible advantage there is. Get every hack, tip, and a shortcut. Eliminate the guesswork and get it right at the first time. That's exactly what I created this course. To reduce the time you need from being a rookie dispatcher with a low self-esteem and a deep fear of failure to a fire-breathing, problem-solving, terrorizing your competition, signing new carriers like clockwork, load board serial killer. I'm fully aware that you are skeptical. Internet is packed with phony gurus selling nothing more than empty and hollow promises. I don't expect you to blindly take my word, so instead, boom! Dispatch trucks like crazy in just 21 days and get a good living out of it. Guaranteed.